Do you remember the first time you streamed a video on your smartphone? At that moment, you were no longer tied to your living room for your entertainment or to your office for work. You could access your content anywhere. But there's one small problem: your small mobile device screen. Almost all of us prefer large displays for entertainment and for work. When those work deadlines are approaching, a large desktop monitor or a dual screen setup will significantly boost your productivity. So what if there was a way to have the mobility of a phone, tablet, or laptop without losing the benefit of a large screen? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what we did. Introducing Spud, the spontaneous pop-up display. Spud is a high-resolution, 24-inch display that collapses down to the size of a book and weighs less than 2 pounds. This revolutionary product is the first truly collapsible display and the only device that gives you both portability and a large screen for entertainment and productivity.
Throughout the Spud design process, we focus on image quality and ease of use. We use the latest projection technology combined with our own custom optics to project a large, high-quality image over a very short distance. This enables Spud to produce a bright, sharp image that's about 4 times larger than a laptop screen and 23 times larger than a smartphone screen. To make Spud as easy to use as possible, we designed to work just like a ruggedized umbrella. You can pop up the screen in a very intuitive way, and you can have the Spud set up and running in less than 10 seconds. And since Spud is also lightweight, battery-powered, and uses a hassle-free HDMI connection, you can get straight to the big screen you want without wasting any time on setup.
One of the most exciting things about Spud is the many different ways that you can use it. On the entertainment side, Spud is basically a portable TV or movie screen. Whether you're traveling, camping, hanging out with friends at a coffee shop, or just lounging around your house, it's the big screen that you can use anywhere. For work, having a dual screen setup is great for productivity, but you can also use it for presentations and as a collaboration tool. It's great for trade shows, sales visits, or any kind of field work. Spud gives you the flexibility you need no matter the situation. And it's great because it's a complete solution in a very small package that you can take anywhere.
We have the team, the product, and the vision to execute on Spud. And now, all we need is your support. By backing us on Kickstarter, you're becoming part of our founding community. As a special thank you, we will be adding all of our Kickstarter backers to an exclusive VIP list that gives you early access to discount codes, product updates, and beta testing opportunities. So Kickstarter, what will you do with your Spud?